Welcome to the tutorial on how to install a Rointe electric radiator. This installation process is compatible with the Rointe products shown on screen. Inside the radiator box, you'll find the installation kit. Open the kit and check that it includes a cardboard template, brackets, screws, and wall plugs. Choose the appropriate spot on the wall. Remember to use the floor as a reference, not the skirting board. Position the template and, with the help of a pencil, mark the points where the brackets will go. Remove the template and carefully drill the marked holes. Secure the top brackets using the supplied wall plugs and screws. Then attach the bottom bracket. The bottom bracket has a different design to make it easier to identify. Slide the radiator down from the top until it is firmly locked into the brackets. Connect your product to the power supply and switch it on. All done! You can now enjoy comfortable, smart heating with your Rointe electric radiator.